How to use Elementor in WordPress. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply open your browser and kindly go to your wordpress.com and simply sign in your WordPress account in here. But before that, if you don't know what is WordPress, it is a widely used open source content management system that allows users to create and manage websites with ease. And to start using Elementor in WordPress, the first thing that we need to do is to simply install the Elementor in here. And to do that, all you need to do is to simply go to the left side panel and kindly click the plugins option in here to proceed. Then click add new plugin. Upon clicking on it, on the right side panel, just simply go to the search bar and search for Elementor. And after searching on it, below it will show you the result. So all you need to do is to simply click this result with more than 10 million active installation. So all you need to do is to click the install and activate it. But as you can see, I've already activated and install plugins Elementor in here. So it will show you on the left side panel by clicking install plugins some of the install plugins in here, including this Elementor. And it will show you the Elementor option on the left side panel that you can simply clicking on it. Then you will be directed in here where it will show you some of the feature that it offers and also some of the design toolkit that you can navigate also in install. But just proceed on the left side panel by clicking the settings option under Elementor. From here under general, you can also select some of the post types with here posts, pages, products, and many more. But you can simply uncheck or check in here. And also we have here this integration that you could also enter your API key, advanced settings. But as you can see, you can simply leave it as it is or make it as default and proceed by clicking the save button if you want to save the changes in here. And aside from that, you could also navigate this role manager where it will show you some of the role if you're working with a team, or you can invite some of the user in here such as an editor of your website, contributor, subscriber, customer, and many more. So it will show in here this editor part to access to editor, but you need to have an upgrade account in order to use it. Now aside from that, you can navigate element manager tools and any other feature by Elementor. But to start customizing your website, just click visit site button after visiting your site. And from here, it will show you that we can start customizing it using Elementor by clicking edit with Elementor button on the top panel. By clicking on it, you'll be directed on the page where you can start customizing it depending on your preferences. As you can see, we have here elements option on the left side panel such as widgets, basic widgets, and many more. But by clicking any of these texts, we can start changing it. For example, I'm going to enter sample text in here. So as you can see, we've just successfully customized the context in here. You could also navigate to choose the style, advanced settings, such as to change the layout, and many more. And you could also proceed by navigating some other contexts and also elements of it by scrolling down to see different kind of pages on the top panel. We have here service, about, contact, and many more. And to save the changes, just click the publish button on the top right corner to publish it. But going back to this page right here, you could also customize in here some of the pages by clicking the pages section, and in here just select this edit with Elementor button to proceed editing with Elementor. And again, upon doing so, you'll be able to be directed in here where it will show you some of the editing tools from Elementor that you can start navigating. And as you can see, you're currently under this About Us section or pages where we can start navigating to choose or customize some other context elements it contains using the editing tools on the left side panel in here. For example, I'm going to enter our company, and below it will show us some other context again that you can start customizing the style, the font, and layout. And for example, you can also even change the image by clicking on it and uploading your own from your computer files. And again, to save the changes, once again, just click the publish button on the top right. Now going back on the page in here, aside from that, you can navigate also to choose or create another themes or website by clicking the appearance section on the left side panel and choose these themes, where it will show you below some other themes by clicking this add new theme button, and it will show you all of the themes that you can choose from to customize and activate in here, in which by simply installing it and activating it, you could also proceed by creating another website using templates and editing it using the Elementor. So basically, Elementor enhances the flexibility and creativity of control in WordPress users to have their site designed. And that is just basically how to use Elementor in WordPress.